Khalid. So, sir, how are you doing today?
I'm doing very fantastic and I'm really happy to connect with you. Okay, and because I was planning to interact someone and luckily you messaged and so I'm very happy right now. I'm feeling very excitement.
Okay. But when I text you message, at that time you told me that, I am under the weather. But right now you are,
Yeah.
looking like, so fit, hospital.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, where, from where are you talking? From where are you talking to me?
Yeah, I would like to introduce myself if you allow me. Then, so as you know, my name is Dev and I hail from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. But currently, I am connecting to you from Delhi NCR, NEDA 16. And if we talk about my education, I have completed my Bachelor of Science in Mathematics honor from Kanpur University. And currently, I'm doing a job in finance company.
Okay.
Okay, can you hear me? I'm audible to you.
Yes, yes, you are able to speak. Don't worry.
Okay, okay. So, yes, currently I'm doing a job in finance company that is RKPL as a sales executive. Yeah, that's all a little bit about me. Uh, Anything else you want to know? Let me know. I will let you know.
Definitely your introduction is very splendid. Okay. So, I'm going to introduce myself.
Yeah, please, of course, I'm really excited to know about yourself because I have
Okay,
seen you on
so
YouTube. YouTube.
okay, okay. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, So, well, my name is Abdi Jrair. I'm from Bihar, but I'm talking to you from the Kuwait because I'm working in Kuwait. And if you say about my hobbies, so I love learning English, meeting new people, and traveling. Moreover, I run YouTube channel where I upload English content. I believe that learning English is the foundation of success. That is why I put 100% effort into learning English. I try to find some partner to have a conversation face to face because I believe on the video call because when you I talk on the video call you can remove your fear hesitation and you can boost your confidence. Yeah, that's all about me.
Definitely, you have mentioned very yes important part. Talking yes, speaking on audio call and speaking on video call is totally different. It's a
Mhm.
totally different experience because I was taking this is my third session with video call. Earlier, I used to take call over the phone. Then I was very confident, but on video call, I was fumbling and I
Mhm.
was not able to focus. On the video, eye contact, so all these kind
Mhm.
of things I'm learning so far. Yeah,
Okay, okay, okay. That's great. That's great. So you mentioned that
yeah,
you are working. You are working. Where you are working? May I know?
yeah. In Delhi itself, the Noida 615, I'm working in finance company that is RKPL as a sales executive. Oh, yeah.
RK Field. What does it mean? RK Field.
No, no, RKPL. RKPL, it is the name of the company.
Okay, okay. So what kind of product
Yeah.
being prepared there?
Basically, yes, we sales like a loan department. If have any requirement for the loan, then we call personally. Okay, we got the data from the bank, and we call them. Yes, for
Okay,
the
okay.
personal loan and overdraft and home loan and car loan. Every kind of loan we provide. So this is
Hmm.
my work so far.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So, are you working in, government and your private?
Yeah, it is a private sector. Okay, it is a part of Kotak Mahindra actually. Okay, it's a branch of the Kotak Mahindra Bank.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so we can say that we working in the backend team. Okay, so backend team means that you have to work yes 10 to 7, but banks generally open 10 to 6, 10 to 5 mostly. But we have to work 10 to 7. So we work as like a backend team, and we are the part of Kotak Mahindra Bank.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now I have got it. That there is a bank and you are working the bank. You are giving the loan. Okay, who need the loan? Am I
Yes,
right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes.
Suppose if I wanna take a loan, okay, from your bank, from you. So what kind of
Yeah,
document, should I show you? And how
yeah.
can you
For that.
believe in me that if I take loan, then I will return you?
Definitely, definitely, I would like to tell you, sir. So, suppose if you have required any loan, like a personal loan, okay. So, for that,
Mhm.
if you are, there are two criteria. First one that you are the salaried person. Otherwise, if you are the self-employed, okay. For the salary person, we have the criteria. We required a 3 months salary slip and a PAN card, Aadhaar card, and 3 month banking statement, and along with one passport size photo. That's all the required document for the personal loan. And if we talk about the business loan, then we required a GST and ITR and all the basic detail like PAN card, Aadhaar
Mhm.
card, and one
Mhm.
nominees and two guarantors. Yeah,
Okay.
and
Okay, so before going to give
yes.
a loan, do you see the people's property or not?
Definitely, we see that because for that we have to the field verification, okay, like home verification and his office verification. We do all the things before providing all these things. We because we working in bank, so we have to follow all the procedure as per policy. So we do
Mhm.
proper way as per the RBI guidelines.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Most of the people I have seen in my life, the most of people, give the loan, give the gold and silver to bank. And after that, the bank, gives them loan. It is true?
Yeah, it is the gold loan. Okay, so yeah, it is true. Yeah, because they are providing the collateral, so behalf of collateral, they can provide the loan. And yes,
Okay, okay, okay. Then how long have you been doing this kind of work?
uh, I just moved to Noida 6 months ago. Okay, and I have been working in this field. Almost seventh month has been. Yeah, it has been 7 months completed so far. Yes, and I'm very
Okay.
new. Yeah,
Hmm.
I'm very new in this field. Yes,
Okay, okay, that's great, that's great. So you are working in Delhi, am I right?
right. Entirely, I'm working right now.
How long have you been living in Delhi?
I came to Delhi in 2024 in September 24, and before that I used to job in Genpact company. Okay, as a customer support executive. Yeah, I worked there almost yes 9 to 10 months. Yes, so then I resigned from there because it was a night shift, so I was not comfortable in the night shift. That is why I yes. Left that job and right now working. So yeah, it has been 2 years has been completed in Delhi. Me.
In 2 years, you have completed for 2 years, and you have been in Delhi for last 2 years.
Yeah, last
Mhm.
2 years.
Okay. Okay. So where did you study? Where did you study in Delhi and in Kanpur in your native place at your native
Uh,
place?
you know, yes, I born and brought up in my native place that is Kanpur, Mandhana, Uttar Pradesh, and there I
Hmm.
have completed my all study and my education I have completed there, and after that I moved to Delhi. And because my native place is Kanpur, and yeah, so I'm here living in as a rented as a paying guest.
Hmm.
So yes,
Okay. 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 That's
yes.
very great. Okay. So are you satisfied with your job and do you want to change it?
Uh, yes, and we can say that I'm satisfied, but I'm not satiated. Okay. So, yes, so satisfied and not satiated. So, yeah, I'm always trying to learn and I just want to try to grab the opportunity. So, that is why I'm also learning this language because it's very important, a very global language. Yeah, definitely. I'm not, yes, as I said that I'm again mentioning that I'm not satisfied. Sorry, I'm satisfied but not satisfied. I'm
Mhm.
always looking for the forward. Yeah, but we should to what we can say. We should to get into it whatever we have. So right now, so yeah, I'm okay with it. But I'm definitely trying
Okay.
to
Okay.
yeah, but I'm definitely trying to for something new and something big.
Okay. So you are always looking forward. Okay.
Yes,
And
yes.
don't see that because we should not see back. Past because past is past. We have
Yeah,
already
past is
wasted our past.
right.
Okay, and if
Past
you
is
think about
past,
your
and
past, then you will get nothing, right?
definitely, sir. Past is past, and if you can't do anything for the past, then what is the need of thinking? It is meaningless. Okay, so I don't think that we should to think about the past. We should to always think about the day. We don't need to plan for the year and future. You need to plan your day. Okay, if you plan
Mhm.
your day, and future definitely will come better. So
Mhm.
I daily basis I plan day. I don't plan for the 1 week. I don't plan for the 1 month. I just plan for the one day. So
Okay,
today I
okay.
will do that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You are living in
Yes.
present. You have a time. So if you do something now, so you will get something in future.
Yes. 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 Definitely.
Yeah, okay. So tell me, your side in Delhi, lots of people are facing gas problem and petrol problems. Are you facing also facing gas problem and
Yeah.
transport
Yeah.
problem?
Yes, it is a very, very immensely problem here in this day right now. Right now we are at the shortage of LPG, and we are not getting any LPG in Delhi right now. So we have, last 10 days I have searched all the area because in my room, because I'm living with my partner as a
Mm-hmm.
bachelor. Okay, so that is why yes, we prefer to cook the food by own and own. So, but I'm not getting the LPG, so that's why we have to purchase induction just because of the LPG. So with that, yes, what we can say that yes, with that I am just somehow I'm just trying to uh, cook my food like I can easily cook my vegetable and rice. Yeah, so yeah, it is very big problem right now, and petroleum as well. And weekends, yes, every evening I see the on petrol pump there are so many crowd there. They are standing in the queue for the petrol and LPG. So all these kind of problem we are facing right now.
Okay, okay, okay. I got it. I got it.
So
And
right. So how
I
about
tell you one thing. I tell you one thing that actually I'm in Kuwait, so I'm not facing any kind of problem because there are lots
yes,
of
yes.
gas and crude oil in the Kuwait. I'm not facing problem. Okay, so thank you so much for giving me your valuable time. And one urgent call I'm getting. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to you also as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day, sir. It was ineffable meeting with you. Have a great day, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Yeah, bye bye, sir. See you. Take care.